All right, what's up, everybody? Today I have really just it's a bunch of DeWalt deals, but they kind of encompass one thing. So I have a lot, but then at the same time I don't have a lot for you today. But they're still very good. So with that said, let's get into it. All right, so you see I have this power stack up here on Home Depot's website, and it's 149. This is not the deal. This is just for reference to show you what this is worth, okay, and what this actually is. Over here at Ohio Power Tool, you have, if you buy any of these DeWalt items here, you get a free Power Stack starter kit. Now, this is important because you get the battery plus the charger, and that's what we're going to come over and look at, okay? So this battery is equivalent to like a 4 or 5 amp hour regular XR DeWalt battery. It's smaller. It's supposed to last 2 times as long, and it also comes with the big boy charger. Okay, so this charger will charge your all your regular batteries, your 12-volt batteries, and it'll also do Flexvolt batteries as well. So this is a big boy charger, man. That charger alone is normally like $80 to $100. Then you have this power stack battery. So the 149 kit for this is not terrible, right? But if you come over here to Ohio Tool, you buy this for $199 or even this for $149. You get the power stack anyway. So it's really, this is truly buy one get one free. So what do they have? They have 2 impact wrenches. They have a 1/2 and they have a 3/8. It's funny because if you're judging by these pictures, this looks like a 3/8 and this one looks like a 1/4. But this is the 3/8 and this is a 1/2, and this is super little. Like this is small as I don't know what. I don't really think I've seen anybody talk about this or review this tool. This must be new because it has no reviews either. It is incredibly small. That's ridiculous. I wonder how strong it is. Hold on, we gotta look at this, y'all. I don't really think you understand how little this is. The Metabo, the Milwaukee variant. Oh my gosh, it's like twice. The anvil like comes all the way out here. The thing is huge. Oh man, that's little. This can't be as powerful. Let's see. Let's look at the specs. Cause the Milwaukee is like, it breaks up to like 1,200 foot-pounds. Yeah. 450 foot-pounds of breakaway. So that's what I thought. Yeah, okay. Now this makes sense. This is almost like the little stubby, the Milwaukee stubby. So anyway, I had to go check that out. We had to review that. Okay, so this is not on the same level as that Metabo 36 volt or Milwaukee big boy half-inch fuel, but $199, and it comes with the fuel. I mean the power stack. Now I will say, I was thinking about this as I messed up my words just now. I wouldn't pay $199 for this. This is not powerful enough to warrant that. Maybe compact enough, but again, you can find that stubby for a lot less. So I would pass on this tool. You can get the driver though for $149. I mean, I believe this is obviously had for $99 over the holiday season, but you were just getting this for $99 for an extra $50. This is how you have to look at it. The extra $50, you get all of that, and that's worth it. That's a good deal. That's a solid deal right there. So then you have the jigsaw, and you have a one-handed reciprocating saw. You have a 6.5 inch circular saw. Okay, so keep this, not the 7.25. And you have a bandsaw that I would not recommend. I mean, it has great reviews. I know it works great. It's just this small mouth. I mean, it depends on what the small throat. It just depends on what your small mouth and throat. But it depends on what you're using it for. If you're cutting like a lot of rebar, this will just be fine. And $199 is, again, with this power stack, is not a terrible deal. Now, the reason why I have Home Depot up, this is what I wanted to show you. So Home Depot has very similar deals, but they come with a 5 amp hour battery. So you may say, well, look, Chris, this is the same impact wrench, the 3/8 impact wrench, and this comes with a 5 amp hour battery. Yes, but it does not come with a charger. Okay, it doesn't come with the charger, and it comes with the old style battery, which is larger. I believe that the 5 amp hour battery XR, it will, last longer, run longer than the Powerstack. But I think the Powerstack, this version, is more so equivalent to the 4 amp hour battery, or maybe the 5. I was looking at some reviews and people in real life reviews, and people were comparing it to their 4 amp hour batteries, and they're saying they outperformed it. So, maybe it is equivalent to the 5. So the Ohio tool deal is much better. So I wanted to bring this up because this is a new deal for 2022. It ends at the end of January. And I know a lot of people primarily go to Home Depot first. I'm just saying, avoid these Home Depot deals because you are not getting the best deals. Over at Ohio Tools, same for Acme. They have the same deal, and they also have this rotary. Oh boy, I have this. I had to use it last week when I swapped out a window, and I'll upload that video. Let me tell y'all, this thing, because it's new, I haven't seen anybody really talk about it. It just came out. This thing went through concrete like it was like I was drilling through cardboard. It was I can't believe how easy it was. It was, I mean, it made super slight work of that concrete, and it was quite incredible. There was no cracks, nothing. It went straight through. Excellent tools. So with that said though, you're going to get that 5 amp hour battery. Now I wonder, now Ohio Tool doesn't have it over here. I thought I thought this was what I bought over the holiday season, and I used it and it was excellent, but I don't think it is. It is an Atomic. Pretty sure I have an XR. I'm not going to walk downstairs and look right now. So anyway, that's it for today's deals. I know it's a quick video, shorter than usual, but I mean, you have all this to choose from. And I just wanted to make you aware that this is not the same deal over at Acme and Home Depot. This one at Ohio is much better. So with that said, hopefully this video was helpful, and I will see you guys next time.